I'm constantly shocked by how much people are still fear-mongering about inflation, tariffs, and what the economic policies of this administration are. So here's Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent on TV this weekend, and he specifically gets asked about inflation and the fact that some products may not be available to the American consumer.
We wanted to make sure that there aren't price increases, Margaret, and thus far there have been no price increases. Everything has been alarmist, that the inflation numbers are actually dropping.
Right, but you listen to earnings calls just like we do. Mm-hmm. You know what Walmart's saying, what Best Buy's saying, and what Target are saying.
But Margaret, I also know what Home Depot and Amazon are saying. I know what the South China Morning Post wrote within the past 24 hours, that 65% of the tariffs will likely be eaten by the Chinese producers.
The reality is there will either be less inventory or things at higher prices or both.
Margaret, when we were here in March, you said there was going to be big inflation. There hasn't been any inflation. Actually, the inflation numbers are the best in 4 years. So why don't we stop trying to say this could happen and wait and see what does happen?
At the end of the day, if you're an investor and what this means for your personal investment portfolio, trying to pontificate of what's going to happen with interest rates or what's going to happen with inflation, most of it is never going to matter. The only thing that matters in today's economy for an investor is, do you understand that they're going to continue to debase the currency? If they continue to debase the currency and the national debt will continue to go up, then of course they're always going to have to step in, prevent default, and outlaw any sort of prolonged bear market. And so naturally, that means that up and to the right is going to be the story of our generation.